Hey everyone, in today's video, we are getting hands-on with a highly anticipated arrival. This is the brand new Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. We've got the 256GB model in purple. Let's grab the blade, cut through this plastic, and see what Infinix has packed inside. Before we crack the lid, let's quickly look at the back of the box. They're pushing some serious specs here. A razor-thin 5.95mm design, a massive 5160 mAh battery with 45W charging, a buttery smooth 1.5K 144Hz 3D curved display, and a 50-megapixel Sony camera sensor. Plus, JBL audio and a 5-year warranty. Not bad at all. Alright, let's get this lid off. Setting that aside, lifting up the first cardboard insert to dig into the accessories. Inside, we're greeted with a uniquely textured clear silicone case, your standard quick start guide, warranty card, and SIM ejector tool. Digging deeper, we have our beefy 45W fast charging power brick and a standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Now for the star of the show. Let's slide the phone out of its protective sleeve. Just look at that striking purple finish. It catches the light beautifully. Let's quickly peel these protective stickers right off the triple camera lenses. The whole design feels really sleek and premium. Let's hold down the power button and boot this thing up. We get the Infinix Android splash screen, and right into the multi-language welcome setup. The bezels look tight, and the screen is vibrant. Finally, let's snap on that included textured case. It fits like a glove, shows off the color, and adds a nice grip to that slim profile. What do you think of the new Hot 60 Pro Plus? Let me know down in the comments.